Hello everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can add a post pagination to your Blogger website. So you can easily split your long blog post into multiple pages and add a button like this. So user can easily shift to these pages they want to read. So let's check how you can add this post pagination to your Blogger website. So just go to your Blogger dashboard and open a blog post. So here you have to split this blog post into multiple sections. So let me just break it. So here type Ctrl+F and I will search for H2 tag. So I will add a section from here and then again search for H2 tag and I will add a section from here. So let's copy a code like this. So just copy this first div tag, div class page content, and paste it just above the first content, and here you have to add the second div class page active and paste it just below this code. Now you have to close this closing div tag after the first page content, and then you have to add a div class of page to all other pages, like paste it and close the div tag after the second page. Now again copy the div class page and paste it just before the third page and close the third page with the closing div tag. So in this way you can add multiple pages to your pagination and close it with a closing div tag. Now you have to add the pagination button to the page. So let's paste this pagination button. Now you have to copy the CSS code from here, and this is the CSS code, and paste it just below the button. Now copy the JavaScript code and paste it just after the CSS code. Now hit the publish button and let's open this blog post in a new tab. Okay, as you can see, the pagination button is showing, and when I click on the second button it will shift to the second page, and when I click on the third button it will shift to the third page. So in this way you can add multiple pages to your pagination and split a long blog post into multiple pages. I hope you got the idea how it works, and if you want to further customize this pagination button like changing the color, then you can do that by changing the CSS code. So just find the CSS code, and here as you can see you can change the font family. I have added the railway, and if this font is not in your theme then it will automatically shift to sans serif, but you can add the font family according to your website. And if you want to add the pagination color, then you can change the hex code from here. And if you don't want to add the CSS and JavaScript code in every blog post, then you can paste it in the theme code. So let me just show you. So just copy the CSS code and the JavaScript code from here, and let's update this blog post and go to your theme section, and here click on edit HTML, and before changing anything make sure to take a backup of your theme. So scroll down and search for the closing body tag. So here paste this code and save your theme. Now refresh this page, and as you can see the pagination button is still working. So in this way you can either add this pagination CSS and JavaScript code to your blog post, or you can add it to your theme code. But I recommend you to add this code in your blog post, because if you don't add a pagination in other posts, then this CSS and JavaScript code will also load in that blog post. So it is better to add it in the blog post. I hope you got the idea how to split a long blog post into multiple pages, and if you have any doubt regarding this, then you can ask me in the comment section, or you can join our Telegram discussion group, and the link will be given in the description. And if this video helped you achieve post pagination, then give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos like this. And if you want to add a author box to your sidebar like this, then you can watch this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.